In a wire or cable, the conductor is responsible for doing the main job, moving electricity, energy, or signals from one point to another. The conductor is located at the center of the cable, and it's what all the other layers of the cable work around to protect. Metals are generally conductive, but some metals are better suited for this task than others. Silver, copper, aluminum, nickel, and tin are some of the most common metals used in conductors, and each has its own advantages and disadvantages. Aluminum is one popular conductor. It's lightweight and affordable and can be used in a wide range of projects. However, aluminum is less conductive than copper, another popular option. Copper is a good conductor and moves electricity quickly. It's both inexpensive and versatile. In addition to being used bare, copper can also be dipped. Coating the copper with another metal can enhance specific qualities necessary for different applications. For example, in tinned copper, the layer of tin protects the copper from corrosion at high temperatures and makes the wire last longer. Another benefit of tinned copper is that it's easier to solder than bare copper, without a huge increase in cost. Silver is the most conductive material, but its high price limits its use to very select applications. Silver-plated wire is a much more common option. It's less expensive than using silver alone, and it still provides many of the excellent conductive qualities of silver. It not only improves the wire's conductivity, but it also allows the wire to operate over a wide temperature range, from -65°C to 200°C. Silver-plated wire is commonly used in aerospace applications. Nickel-plated wire also operates in extreme conditions and over a wide temperature range. If the nickel plating is thick, it can withstand temperatures up to 750°C. Nickel also adds a layer of excellent corrosion resistance. High-strength alloys are other materials commonly used as conductors. These are typically silver-plated or nickel-plated as well. As you can see, conductors are available in a variety of materials, but it isn't just what they're made of that makes them different. It's also how they're configured. Conductors can be either solid or stranded. Solid conductors are made of one piece of metal, while stranded conductors are made of several threads of metal. Solid conductors are inexpensive and mechanically tough, but not very flexible. Higher strand counts means more flexible conductors. Stranded conductors are generally a little more expensive than their solid counterparts, but the flexibility they provide can make a big difference in many applications. For stranded conductors, there are several variations on how those strands can be laid. While bunched is most common, some specialty cables have other options, such as concentric, unilay, and rope lay. Bunched strands are simply gathered together without any specific arrangement. They're the least expensive option because they involve the least labor. Concentric, unilay, and rope lay all have the strands arranged in a circular pattern. But in concentric stranding, the layers alternate in terms of their twist direction. In unilay stranding, every layer is twisted in the same direction. Rope lay is the most flexible option. We've learned that there are several options regarding the conductor to consider when specifying electrical wire. Each material and configuration has its own advantages and disadvantages. Make sure to evaluate the requirements of your specific application when choosing the appropriate conductor for your project needs. To help customize your products, we offer a variety of value-added services, including striping, twisting, braiding, cut and strip, custom packaging, and special labeling, to name just a few. When you need something extraordinary, our experienced sales representatives and engineers can help you design a custom cable from start to finish that fits your application perfectly.